Warning.
Before you use this sound effects, don't forget to subscribe to run out from copyright claim.
I will soon beat someone's child. I will soon beat someone's child. How can you say that kind of thing from your mouth and tell somebody and you are proud?
You think so they wise? Yeah! 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 Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Your account is too low for this call. Dial *904 *airtime amount # to buy airtime directly from your bank. Thank you.